Hi everyone. In this video, we discussed about the looping statements supported in Ruby. A looping statements are the sequence of statements that are executed repeatedly zero or more times by satisfying the given condition. So in Ruby, we have three different kinds of looping statements are there. One is while, until, and for. So these are the syntaxes of looping statements. Let us see one by one how these looping statements are used in our program. Now let us see an example on while loop from which I am going to be display the factorial of a given number. So first of all, we need to be read an input from the user uh, by using getters dot to underscore I converted into integer. Then next I would like to take a variable which stores the resultant value, and for repetition purpose I would like to take one more value here. Now take a while loop, check the condition which is I less than or equal to n. Then you are going to be find the factorial of given number, that is a fact is equal to fact into I. Sorry, yeah. Then next just update the I value, so which means I equal to I plus 1. Now end the while loop. Now print the results, that is factorial of n. Factorial of n is fact. The result will be stored in a fact variable, so that I am going to be printed on the output screen. Now I run this one. So ruby space loops dot rb, enter a value 5. So see here, the factorial of 5 is 120. Okay. Now the second looping statement is until, so which is quite opposite to the while. So which means a while is going to be execute a block of code when the given condition becomes true only. So whereas until, if the condition is false, then only it is going to be execute the block of code. So if the condition is true, then it is going to be terminate from the loop. Okay. Let's see the same example for until. So instead of while, use until keyword, and here you need to change the condition, that is I greater than 0. Okay, so then only it is going to be execute the block of code. Okay, the next as usual you are going to be calculate the factorial and print the result. Let's check the output for until loop, loops dot rb. So here also my input is 5, the same result we get, so that is the factorial of 5 is 120 only. Okay. Now coming to the third looping statement, that is for. So a for loop is also going to be execute a block of code 0 or more times. So here is the simple syntax for, that is for a variable in the expression. So that is I'm going to be represent the range here. So here no need to be mention the initialization values and condition also. So why? Because here for each and every value of in the range it is going to be updated automatically in I. Okay, so Here no need to be update the I value again, because the I is already updated here. Okay, so this is the way we are going to be write the for loop. Okay, so which means first it is going to be take the I value as 1, so that value is going to be used inside the loop. Then after executing the loop, it is going to be take the next value in the given range, so that which means it is going to be take the 2. Okay, so then now I is 2, so inside the loop I is going to be substituted with value 2. Okay, so which is updated until I becomes n. Okay, so let us run this one also. Ruby space loops.rb 4 factorial of 4 is 24. Okay, so this is a way of using looping statements in Ruby. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you.